In this video, I will demonstrate an e-commerce customer support agent built using LangChain and LangGraph. This agent can track, order, handle return, answer policy-related questions using RAG, and escalate issue to human support. This is the web interface built using Streamlit, where user can interact with the AI agent. The, the agent uses custom tools for business actions like order tracking and returns, and retrieval-augmented generation to answer questions from internal. Now I will briefly explain the tools used by the agents. I have created a custom tools for order tracking and uh, initiate return to return order using user request. Also create support ticket if a problem is not solved. Agent automatically call create support ticket and store all the information in JSON file and escalate to human support. If user want to talk to your human, the model call to escalate to human tool. And for our general questions or policy related question, I have created some tools like a search tool, return policy tool, shipping policy, and general FAQ. It's a work based on retrieval augmented generation technique. So let's test the agent and see how it decide whether to call tool or not. First, we run our agent using command. Briefly explain what we are going to demonstrate in this video. We will test the following our four sections. In this demo, we will test our four main scenarios. First, we will track an order using custom tools. Second, we will initiate product return. Third, we will receive policy information using RAG. And finally, we will create support ticket and escalate the issue to human agent. Also, along with that, we monitor and track our agent using LangSmith. So there has no project. Once we send our query to our agent, they automatically appear her. So let's check. There are some quick action buttons, but right now we will test using typing. First, we track our order. So say this and where is my order. So next model asks for our order ID. I use local allow model for our model. Agent ask for order ID. Order ID is So we call the tool check order status and give back to our where is our order. Yeah, using our mock data, we give me a order status. Where is my order? Order ID 123 has been shipped and the item is currently in the nearest view. So let's check how actually it's work. Yeah, in LangChain is the latest. First is send query to chat Olama. I use Queen 3 4 billion model and using routing tool call for check order status and send our output to our Olama model and what is our output tool and LLM model process this output and send to our response. Next, we check our order return. First, we refresh this page. Now we will check agent is help our order return our order or not. Now I want to return my order. Let's see how our agent behave. He asks for order ID and reason. If user give both then agent is initiate for return. Yeah, I am happy to help you initiate a return. Could you please provide your order ID and reason? So we will give our order ID. My order ID is already check our database. Order 456 is delivered. Okay, 456 and the product is damaged. So we call initiate order return tool and return our order successfully. It gets some time. Yeah, your order return. Your return for order 456 has been successfully processed with reason damage. A return label has been emailed. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask. Now let's check Langsmith. What's happened in background? So let's check. Yeah, first queries into LLM model using routing tool and LLM reasoning. Model call to initiate return tool. Uh, in return tool, give two parameters: order ID and reason, and it's successfully return user request. So second thing is done. Now next we check our retrieval policy. So we ask for, so first we refresh it. Now we test third things, our search policy tool. If we ask general question to our chatbot answer based on our company document provided. So we ask about return window. What is your return window? So we call for return policy tool, search return policy tool, and retrieve related content from document and return answer. Let's check what's happened. Yeah, shopmart return window policy based on your question. Return window, you have 30 days from delivery to return item. So let's check what's actually happened. First we reload this. Yeah, what is latest query. Uh, in LLM call search return policy tool using vector store retrieval. Using vector store retrieval, it's extract three related chunks about the return policy, and model process these chunks and send back to output. So, third. Now let's check last one. Create ticket or human escalation. So we will first refresh this. If user problem is not solved, agent call for human escalation or create ticket. So we will try some queries. So agent I don't order show delivered, but I didn't get my order. Yes, first he asks for order ID. So I give order ID. My order ID is ORD456. I escalate to human support. Agent will you contact you shortly. Yeah. First we send query, complex query, like my order show deliver, but it did not get my order. So agent asks for order ID. After that, we send order ID. We call to tool like escalate human. So let's check